So what we have done is minus 3 into 7 into 2 plus 9 divided by minus 3 plus minus 2. Okay. So here 9 divided by minus 3. So this you need to solve, but you have not solved this. Okay. And then how did you got this 5? How did you get this 5? I have not understood. This is wrong actually. Okay, let me explain you how to solve this. Okay, I am solving this for you. Minus 3 multiply by bracket 7 into 2 plus curly brace 9. Okay, 9 divided by minus 3 and then plus minus 2. Okay, curly brace and then square bracket. As I told you, okay, this is opening, this is closing of this bracket, this is opening and this is closing of this bracket, and over here inside this bracket I have what? Minus 3. This is your minus 3, and here it is minus 2. This is your minus 2. Okay, and how many operators you have over here? You have division and you have subtraction. So which will be done first? First will be solved this much. Okay, so I will going to solve only 9 divided by minus 3. So when I solve this 9 divided by minus 3, what answer I will get? 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 ja 9. So I will get minus 3 as answer. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now this minus 3 I should write here. Okay, I should write minus 3 over here. This will be from here to here. I should write only minus 3, and then I should write plus, and then within bracket minus 2. So what I will get? Minus 3 plus into minus 2, I will get minus 3 minus 2. What is minus 3 minus 2? It is minus 5. And here you wrote plus 5. That's the reason this went wrong. Understood your mistake?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so from here to here, you have to replace from here to here entire thing. Okay, this entire thing you have to replace with minus 5. And that's what I am writing in the next statement. Okay, so let me put this partition. This minus 3, I will write like this, multiply by 7 into 2. Okay, then plus, then it is minus 5 bracket close. Now here I need to solve which one? I need to solve within this. Correct? Now, first I will give preference to what? Plus or multiply? I will give preference to multiply. So I will going to first solve this. What is 7 into 2? It is 14.
14.
So I will write this 14 here. And this plus into minus will be minus, and this will be 5. Clear? So what is 14
Yes,
minus 5? 14 minus 5 is what? Tell
it's
me.
9.
Yes, it is 9. Correct? And then what is 9 3
Minus 27.
Yes, right. It is minus 27 is the answer. Hope you have understood now.
Yes, sir.
I will give you additional question for the practice, because you did silly mistakes here.